Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing shortcuts and choosing the app you want to swap icons for. Open Shortcuts, tap the plus to create a new shortcut, then add action and pick Scripting right arrow Open App. When the app placeholder appears, tap it and select the target app. This tells your shortcut which app to launch. Once done, tap the three dots to name the shortcut and choose Add to Home Screen so you can assign a custom image. Make sure to proceed to the icon selection step next. Now assign the visual that becomes the new app icon. Tap the home screen icon preview, then choose Photo or File and pick your prepared image. Crop or scale so the design sits centered. You can also use a transparent PNG for custom shapes. Rename the shortcut label to what you want displayed under the icon. Once everything looks right, tap Add, and the shortcut will appear on your home screen as the new icon. Make sure to move the original app into the app library if you prefer a single icon on the page. Finish by cleaning up and testing. Tap the new icon to confirm it launches the app. If it opens shortcuts instead, check that your action is exactly Open App and not a scripting preview. Sometimes recreating the shortcut resolves the issue. Move the original app to the app library to avoid duplicate icons on your home screen. If images appear pixelated, use a larger PNG, 180 to 1024 px, and crop before adding. If problems persist, delete and remake the shortcut to clear any corrupted metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.